Find or read reviews that people are talking for OOX folding camping chair with shade canopy. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Versatile 4-season camping chair. It comes with an enlarged canopy sunshade. In hot weather, you can open the canopy and the sunshade can block the side and back sunlight, keeping you cool and shielded from the sun. The canopy can be folded during colder days, allowing you to bask in the sun's warmth. This chair is perfect for camping in any weather condition. Soft and comfortable chair. This camping chair offers plenty of room for 2 people. Made of 600D Oxford cloth and double cotton, soft and comfortable, the chair surface adopts a breathable mesh 3-dimensional design and breathable heat dissipation. Easy to carry. This camping chair can be quickly folded and secured with 2 durable buckles. The comfortable dual shoulder straps allow for convenient carrying, like a backpack, eliminating the need for additional bags. It is lightweight and can be easily taken along for outdoor activities such as beach trips, fishing, or yard gatherings. Sturdy and durable structure. Constructed with a sturdy steel frame, this double camping chair can support a maximum weight of XXX. The stable steel tube frame has foot covers, preventing tilting and sliding while protecting the floor from scratches. You can comfortably use this chair for activities like fishing, reading, playing games, or sleeping on its side. Extra storage space. This gray camping chair with a sunshade has 2 Cuban pesos holders and 2 Cuban pesos racks, allowing you to enjoy your favorite drinks while relaxing. Whether it's a hot cup of coffee in the morning or a refreshing cold beverage in the afternoon, you can relax without worrying about spills. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.